Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I want to show you guys exactly how I make money in meme coins in 2026, because trading meme coins has become way harder than it should. That's because the real advantage isn't by trading, it's by deving, and that's the truth. Once I made that switch into deving, my results changed completely and I made hundreds of thousands of dollars personally. In this video I'll show you exactly what I mean and how to make meme coins. $8 million came from launching meme coins, bro. I will show you guys exactly how to dev your very first meme coin into this video. Let's fucking get it. Now, a lot of people get completely burned in meme coins because they are bad at trading meme coins. But the truth is that in 2026, trading has become 10 times harder, okay? They buy a coin and then, for example, the dev dumps on their fucking head and they become exit liquidity. That's why a bunch of fucking high-level traders and well-known KOLs are shifting away from trading or focusing on launching instead. It's low risk and high fucking upside, and honestly, bro, in my personal opinion, it's way more enjoyable. When you trade meme coins though, your money ends up rewarding the creators. Every single time you buy a coin, that money goes into the pockets of the devs. But when you launch your own coins though, you control everything and all you see is upside. All you're doing as a dev, okay, is creating coins for completely free. Okay, you launch them on chain, you wait for people to buy in, and when the market cap is high, boom, you profit and you rinse and repeat that method, bro, over and over again until you are satisfied with your crypto portfolio. And by the way, bro, in 2026, launching has become the new meta. It has been on the rise now, so keep watching because I'm about to show you how to launch your first token and how it could potentially turn into real gains. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please be cautious on your own risk, bro. It's all fucking fake. Cap. Now, most people, when they start deving meme coins, bro, the platform they usually point to first is Pump.Fun to launch meme coins. It is the most popular name, so it feels like the most natural choice. But that is where people make mistakes, okay? Pump.Fun is completely overwhelmed with new tokens appearing non-stop, and most of these coins go nowhere. They are just gone within moments. Now, if you are still launching there, bro, you are not really building anything. You are just testing your luck and hoping for something to work, right? Now, there's a hidden downside. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and takes a portion of your creator fees. So from the very beginning of your launch, you are giving up control and profits of your own launch. Now, as a dev, the real goal, okay, is getting your token in front of the Raydium DEX, where real volume and real apers exists to buy your coin. Now, on Pump.Fun, bro, reaching that stage takes too long and depends almost entirely on luck. That's why I switched completely to create meme.io, bro. This launchpad is way better than Pump.Fun, okay, and launches every single coin to Raydium instantly, which will be viewed by thousands of potential people right from the start, okay? And that is exactly how this launchpad works. You skip the entire bonding curve and you'll go directly to Raydium for free promotion right there. So if you want a clear edge over every single other dev, you have to be using Create Meme. Now, to make an actual token on Create Meme.io, it's really fucking easy. You have two different ways to make a meme coin, and honestly, bro, it's all up to you to what you want to do, okay? The first method is to create a coin from complete scratch. Now, you need a narrative for that meme coin. I would highly recommend to head over to X. Some people like to go on TikTok, Instagram, right, Discord, or you can just go on Google News and make coins based off of articles, or it could be any viral tweet. Once you have that narrative, come back to Create Meme, invent a name, add a symbol, add a quick image, and just like that, bro, your meme coin is live and up and running. But the second method, the second way to make a meme coin, is actually what I personally use. It's the most profitable in my opinion, okay? And that's by copying trending coins on the blockchain. Now, all of these coins right here are all going viral on Pump.Fun. They're all getting volume, transactions, and a bunch of attention. That's because they all have a good narrative. So by copying a coin or multiple coins from here, well, that copy is going to get a lot of fucking volume and you will be able to grift money from that copy, okay? It will go to Raydium, and that's exactly how it works. I would personally recommend to copy coins. But anyways, now it's time for the best part of today's video. It's time to actually deploy a token onto Raydium and see how much we can make from this method. Now, first of all, make sure Phantom Wallet is connected just like this. Then click on the refresh button and look for a coin to copy. I like to go for something decent, just anything, right? Choose one. If you only make like $100, $50, $1,000, no matter what, bro, go for a second one right after, or even a third one. I'm gonna copy the bullion coin. It looks good, right? Click on create coin or copy to Raydium. Then ignore the block from Phantom. Click on proceed, confirm, or understand, confirm, and then the coin will be copied. Just give it a couple seconds. Come on, boom. If I go on scan, you guys can see that it is live on chain. 10 seconds ago, it's minted. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Alright guys, this page is really fucking easy. This is where everything turns on. Now adding liquidity here allows buyers and sellers obviously to trade your coin on Raydium. Now there's 2 easy steps that realistically takes like 10 seconds. Token A, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million coins for the liquidity pool. Right under for the token B, right? This is what opens the market. It's the first ever buy in your own coin as a dev. Now you will own a part of that supply from this first buy, and that's the whole point. And once you remove the liquidity later, it will come back to you, so we have nothing to lose, bro. It's the whole point of being a dev. Point 3 is a minimum for the first buy. Then click on create pool. Once again, you will get this back later, and then click on confirm. After that, when you are done, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the bullion coin is on live, and your profits are going to be right here. And for example, bro, if you click on the refresh button, you can see that our profits went up to $120 because people are buying in. These are most likely snipers or apers, okay? But they are real people, right? Now, click on view on Photon or Axum. It's up to you to see the chart. Let me go on full screen to see it better, okay? Let's fucking go. And as you guys can see, bro, the chart is now live. If I had to guess right now, I think we're up like $200. Oh my god, a $50 buy right here. 1.3k market cap to begin with, 1k liquidity. Things are looking good, bro. Now the whole goal right here is to wait for people to buy in, for more people to see the coin on chain, and to just ape in, bro. Boom, $40, $72. That's $110 right there. $15 right here, bro. It's actually fucking insane, and this is why deving meme coins is way better than trading. This coin costed us like fucking $0. Let's go, $1. That's not bad. Now more and more people are going to start seeing the coin, so don't worry about it. Anyways, bro, I'm gonna be right back, and when I come back, we will see how much we're up. Alright guys, I am officially back after a couple minutes. Now we are at a 4k market cap. We are pushing 5k. It's doing a retracement right now. I think it's gonna go higher, but now it's officially time to, you know, make some money from this coin. That's the whole point of today's video, right? And of being a dev. Now come back to create meme.io if you launched a coin, obviously, and then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we are up $1,700 with a 1.9k liquidity. Now, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for Phantom Wallet to pop up. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive 14.1 SOL. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you do it, bro. Let's fucking go. Obviously, it's all for educational purposes only. If I open my wallet just to see if I received it, boom, it's instant, bro. It's a Phantom transaction. It goes straight inside your Phantom wallet, and then you can just copy other coins if you want, or you can stop there if you are happy with your port. Now create meme.io will be linked in the comments below or in the description. Join my Discord, join my Telegram, subscribe and like and comment. Peace out.